Do your Discord replies confuse everyone? Learn to quote any message in under 30 seconds. First, you'll see the easy reply method, then the manual quote trick for more control. Let's dive in. Start by navigating to Discord. Right-click the message to see the menu. Then, click on the Reply option from the menu. Finally, type your response. Discord will automatically show the quoted message right above your text. You can type a greater than symbol, followed by a space, and then your text to create a quote manually. And that's how easy it is to quote a message on Discord. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.